Hello and welcome. So how to add scrolling text on Filmora? Now it's going to be really quick, so just bear with me on this one. First, I need you to click here, this icon, to select a video. We've selected a free, copyright-free video on the internet, so I could use this as a free example. Also on fair use. Click here to add the text itself. Now the screen normally goes black, and click here to add the text, and let's go ahead and put sample text. You could edit here inside. Okay, so yeah, this platform might be complicated at first, but at a couple of tries you'll be able to get the heck of this, and it's really not that hard. And click here to export. So once you click here to export, that's the key signal that you're going to be already saving the project. So here's the free sample video we got, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and you guys have a nice day.